We are pleased to show you the 2025 Odyssey. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, inside you'll find backup camera, leather trim seats, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features, a must for all families. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.